Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about what is going on with Shiba Inu because, simply put, it has blown every other investment out of the water over the last year. It is up over 7 million% over the last year, and many people think it still has a lot of room to run. So I want to take a minute to talk about some of the most important things going on with Shiba Inu right now, what's been happening, and everything else you need to know. But quickly, before we jump into that, if you guys would like a free $200 Ethereum NFT, well, make sure to go ahead and follow my brand new NFT collection called Only Bears on Twitter. If you don't have Twitter, don't worry. You could still go ahead and follow Only Bears NFT on Instagram, and make sure to enter to win a free $200 Ethereum NFT. You could go ahead, sell it, do whatever you want with it after that. Anyways, right now, Shiba Inu is continuing to hold strong in the top 10 cryptocurrencies in terms of overall market cap. It is right now in that number 9 position ahead of Dogecoin, and this was its sole goal. Its sole purpose was to be the Dogecoin killer. It has done that. Just, check off the box right there. Other thing going on is that Shiba Inu, its rally has put it at a $40 billion market cap, putting it ahead of companies that many people would say should be a lot higher. For example, AMC, which was a meme stock earlier in 2021, has a $18 billion market cap. Well, Shiba Inu, significantly higher than that, more than double that market cap. Yum Brands, been around forever. It owns KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, operates worldwide, has a $36 billion market cap. Shiba Inu has beat that. And there are a number of other companies as well that Shiba Inu has surpassed in terms of market cap, like Robinhood, like General Mills, like GameStop, Warner Music Group, and dozens of others that have been around for decades or even over a century, but Shiba Inu has surpassed them in terms of market cap, and it has blown out every other meme stock or meme coin out of the water in terms of returns over the last year. One more thing before we dive into some of the big new pieces of information is that the petition for Robinhood to list Shiba Inu is gaining more and more traction. We have seen over 100,000 signatures in just the last couple of days. Within the last 48 hours, we are now seeing that there are over 430,000 signatures for Robinhood to list Shiba Inu on their platform. It's not guaranteed that they're going to list it, but this is showing us there's definitely a lot of interest, definitely a lot of people talking about it. So now let's talk about a couple of other things, where it's going, what has been going on. So first is that Shiba Inu, in terms of Google Trends, has seen a massive explosion in the amount of people searching for it on Google. Why this matters, why it's important to all of us, is that typically whenever we see something searched a lot more on Google, whether it's Shiba Inu, whether it's GameStop stock, or whether it's AMC or Dogecoin, we always see that when these things and these investments are skyrocketing in terms of search results, well, then they're also skyrocketing in terms of price, because that means so many people who have never invested in it before are looking to get involved, and they're pouring more money in. They're looking up, what is this thing that we're hearing about, and they're getting involved. So that is exactly what we're seeing with Shiba Inu right now. We're in the middle of this happening, and it still does not look like it is slowing down. If we look at even over the last 30 days, still we are at the all-time record high in terms of searches for Shiba Inu, which shows us, look, people are not slowing down. We're continuing to see new people get involved. Next thing is going to be with ShibaSwap. ShibaSwap is a decentralized exchange on Shiba Inu. And while many people say that Dogecoin is a meme coin, which it is, Shiba Inu is not a pure meme coin. It has this decentralized exchange called ShibaSwap, and we have seen a massive amount of volume on ShibaSwap over the last couple of days, over the last week or so. Right now, we see that there is over $534 million locked on total value locked on ShibaSwap, which is huge. This puts it as a pretty significant decentralized exchange. If we go to the site called DeFi Llama, we can see all the rankings of decentralized exchanges in terms of total value locked. It's not in the top 20, but it is in the number 25 position, which is a pretty big deal for a coin that many people would say was originally made as a joke, because Shiba Inu was made originally just to surpass Dogecoin in terms of market cap. So for a coin that was made initially as a joke, it has actually gone up significantly in terms of practical use cases, and its decentralized exchange has grown tremendously. Just within the last couple of weeks, we see over $530 million locked on the platform, which is absolutely huge. Lastly, with this decentralized exchange, we right now see that there are over 28 coins that are on and traded on this decentralized exchange. So right now it's continuing to grow. That is very positive, because while Shiba Inu is great, getting a lot of attention right now, the one thing we need for it to increase in value long term is going to be use cases, mass adoption. Well, we have the mass adoption, we have people buying it, and people are saying they're never going to sell it, but where's that use case? And that is with that decentralized exchange. Next story I want to go over is with a couple of crazy stories of people making, millions of dollars, billions of dollars from their investment in Shiba Inu. The first one is with this crypto wallet that purchased $8,000 of Shiba Inu last year. Now it's worth $5.7 billion. While, there's nothing we can do about this now. We can't make money. It's great to see this story, but what the two good things out of this are, one is that people see this story and they're like, I could do this myself too. It motivates new people to get into the market, and that is why we are seeing so many people flock into Shiba Inu, much like what happened with Dogecoin. This story serves as like inspiration for other people. This one person has made over 7 million% on their investment, turning $8,000 into billions of dollars. The other thing with this, though, is that it's positive and negative, is that this one person owns 70 trillion Shiba Inu coins, and they have not yet liquidated their holdings. They have continued to hold strong. We have not seen any sales come out of this account, so that's a good thing. The one negative here is that if they were to sell, it could have some pretty bad impacts, some pretty big negative impacts on Shiba Inu's price, because it's a pretty significant amount of coins for Shiba Inu. So if they were to sell their entire holding, that would have a big impact on the overall price. So it's just something we need to keep an eye out for. Sort of a good news, bad news. Great to see stories like this. A little bit concerning that one person owns a very high majority of Shiba Inu. It's more than 10% of all Shiba Inu in circulation. Next story is going to be with another person who made over $1.5 billion, turning $3,400 into $1.55 billion. We've seen all these stories before, but again, these show us massive stories of inspiration, getting people involved in Shiba Inu. And the interesting thing here is that what we've seen historically happen is that whenever someone makes a lot of money from an investment, whether that's with Dogecoin, whether that's with Bitcoin, whether that's with Shiba Inu, whatever it is, they typically are always going to hold that investment long term. They're going to sell some, take some profits, because it's life-changing money. But a lot of the time, these people who get in, they are never going to sell. And that is exactly what we're seeing in sentiment for Shiba Inu right now. Everyone is saying that they are not going to sell their position. They're holding it long term. And stories like this just motivate people even more to hold it. Last thing with this story is that we're also seeing that many people in the comments in my videos are saying, I'm able to own millions of something. They're saying, I've never been able to own millions of anything before. Like people own 40 million Shiba Inu coins, or they own 4 million Shiba Inu coins. Everyone is just excited that they can own a high quantity of something, which for most coins and most investments and most things in this world, you can't really do. You can't own millions or billions of one thing. But with Shiba Inu, many people can, and that is one of the many reasons why I think we're going to continue to see people buy it moving forward. Last couple of things are going to be with mass adoption. Right now, we're starting to see more mass adoption take place for Shiba Inu, which is huge. We have seen that the AMC Theater's CEO, he came out on Twitter, ran a poll saying, should they include Shiba Inu? You know what? They're looking at having Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Dogecoin to buy movie tickets, but should they include Shiba Inu? And in this poll, 80% of the people voted yes. Over 131,000 votes. Look, I voted yes too. I said, you know what? Why not? More people talking about crypto, the better. So this was very exciting to see that AMC, which was a meme stock in 2021, is looking at including Shiba Inu, and I think they definitely will, because it only helps their business, helps in terms of marketing, get more people talking about them, helps in terms of, the synergies between AMC being a meme stock and Shiba Inu being originally, just a meme. Now it's much more than that, but originally just as meme. Lastly, last two stories is going to be with another story of mass adoption. We're seeing many companies join the list of businesses that are accepting Shiba Inu. There are companies in France like a Bistro that is accepting Shiba Inu. We're having AMC talk about it, and a lot more. Last thing I want to talk about, which is probably one of the biggest things for Shiba Inu at this point, is going to be with Robinhood. We talked about this right here, the petition, earlier in the video. But the important thing here is that right now we're getting close to 500,000 signatures. And the big question is Robinhood going to list Shiba Inu, or are they not? My personal opinion, I think they 100% will list Shiba Inu. It's just a matter of time. Are they going to do it today, tomorrow, next week? We don't know for sure. But what we do know is that Robinhood's crypto business struggled in Q3 of 2021. It struggled. The Dogecoin didn't generate a lot of revenue for them, and they're looking for that next coin that's going to get people onto the platform. What coin is that going to be? My opinion, Shiba Inu. Everyone's talking about it. The sooner they could get it listed, the better for Robinhood's business. The sooner they get it listed, the better for Shiba Inu. It helps both Shiba Inu and Robinhood for this to actually happen. So I think they definitely will list Shiba Inu. I think it's just a matter of time. They came out in their recent earnings call and said they're being a little bit careful about listing new cryptos, but ultimately they need to continue to grow as a business. One way to grow their crypto business is make it easy for people to buy Shiba Inu. So anyways, that's what's going on right now. If you are invested, you've made life-changing amounts of money, I would say, you know what? Take profits off the table. Never hurts. If you've made life-changing amounts of money, take profits off the table. If you just invested a little bit for fun, then don't worry about it. This is something good to hold. It's fun to be a part of the movement. A lot of people like that. The one thing I just have to say is that, yes, it definitely could go higher from where it is with a Robinhood listing it on its platform. It definitely still has a lot of room to run because people are talking about it. But also, after running up over 1,000% in the last 90 days, seeing a 50% correction is not going to be unusual or a surprise. It definitely is possible for this to drop 50% before rallying higher, or drop 50% and stay at that level, just because we have seen it rise so much as of recently. So just make sure you know the risks, rewards to holding it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you guys made it this far, I think you really enjoyed joining our Patreon community. We do daily live streams, buy and sell alerts, exclusive content, additional research reports, and more. So make sure to join our group using the link down below. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See you guys.